Hello YouTube, it's Krosama, and here I have the Real Grade Unicorn Gundam Banshee Norn. I was really hoping that I could have gotten the Deep Strike first before I actually review this kit. However, I'm not able to leave the base, and I definitely was not going to send my wife out to go buy a $200 giant, master grade, mainly because she'll probably say no. So I'm gonna go out in secret probably next week and to go and purchase that and go ahead and review it. But for the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little unboxing of this, as well as do a build, and maybe I'll even do a live stream. We'll see. But definitely want to go ahead and do a little unboxing and kind of give my thoughts about the project that's at hand. And yeah, that's about it. Okay, so looking at the front of the box, I really like the way it looks. I love the kind of the overall aesthetics of it. I love I don't know, the Real Grade boxes just always look amazing and make me love the mobile suit even more. All right, and as you can see right here, it does say 2018 that it was actually manufactured and released. All right, so looking on this side, you basically just see the real system delivers incredible realism at 1/144 scale, which is pretty true. The next thing right here, you're just going to be seeing the inner frame and kind of the inner workings, details, the link mechanisms, the lock mechanisms for the actual transformation. Over here it just says the realistic appearance and movable mechanics. So just more maneuverability with the actual transformation. And over here you see out of box with pretty much all the decals on it, and then the runners kind of just chilling right next to it. This is the 27th one in line, so Real Grade definitely came a long way. I didn't really know if they were going to continue with this line, but I'm actually happy they did. Then on this side is pretty much just some nice little kind of action poses, and just kind of shows you all the different weapons and different accessories that's going to be coming with it. Now this does retail for 4,000 yen, which kind of equates to about $40. Obviously Yamada Denki over here in Japan was selling it for 3,200, and God bless the Gunpla Lords for bringing me back over here. Okay, so inside the box, but on the side of the inside of the box, basically shows kind of like a little action display pose that you can actually bring, kind of pose along with another mobile suit from the series that it actually did battle. It shows a bunch of the high grade series, pretty much all the little high grade kits that were featured in the Unicorn series. And on this side, it's just kind of comparing the high grade with the Real Grade. Nothing really too special, but pretty cool that you can actually, I have the high grade, and I can definitely tell you that these things are going to be worlds apart. All right, so the first runner we're going to look at is runner B. This is pretty much going to be your inner frame. I love the clear, it's kind of like a very gold yellowish. Doesn't really look gold, but I'm pretty sure that's what they're really trying to go for. But it looks really good. I like it. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing as the Real Grade Unicorn. So nothing really different when it comes to this. Okay, the next runner is going to be runner H. Pretty much has gold and red down there, as well as, like, it's kind of black. I would just say it's black. Usually it's kind of a dark navy blue when it came with the master grade. But this is pretty much gold. The clear red looks like it's going to be, I want to say for the head, looks like it's for the maybe the eyes, as well as the little sensor at the top. But yeah, looks really nice. The next thing we're going to have is going to be the A1 runner. It's pretty much clear parts, mainly for, it looks like the shield, front skirts, anything that's clear gold on the actual the mobile suit. So this is pretty much that runner is going to be for that. And then this is runner O. I would say this is either going to be for the shield, or it's going to be, well, yeah, pretty much for the shield. I can see the shield parts right here. So definitely this is the runner for the shield. This is runner J. Runner J is definitely more gold. Looks like it's going to be for the V-fin, as well as for the backpack. Probably some random parts here for the chest and for the collar, like right there in the front faceplate. Then you have N1. This looks like it's going to be inner frame. The color looks kind of weird. I guess it's just like a very, like, it's like gray, but it kind of has a weird like brown tint to it. But yeah, this is pretty much going to be inner frame parts. This is L1. L1's pretty much more inner frame parts. This is looks like this is going to be for the rifle, actually. All right, here's I1. I1 is more inner frame parts right there. And then runner G. Runner G is definitely more inner frame parts. Sees a lot of stuff for the hands, the waist, and other parts on the mobile suit. Now this kit, pretty much alongside other real grades, have two different tones. This is pretty much a regular blue. Don't really see any other kind of like shading to it. But this is kind of like a weird purple blue. It's a little more lighter and, well, it's a little more light in tone than this blue. But overall, this is just going to be the armor, and does have two different, very visible tones to it. Here's D1. D1 is just more blue, pretty much that normal regular blue. Here's K. K is pretty much more blue for the shield as well as the head. Runner M. Runner M is more blue for more of the shield. And the last little blue is going to be the E1 runner that has pretty much most of the legs, as well as actually looks like most of the legs and a little bit of the arm. Then we have L2. This is obviously going to be for the looks like the grenades for the rifle. And this is runner P, which is going to be for the Norn shield. The last two runners you're going to get is going to be some beam sabers right here, and then this is going to be kind of like a beam saber effect part for the rifle. And I'm actually kind of wondering if this is actually a beam saber effect part, or if this is actually just kind of like a firing effect part, like it's firing a missile. But let me know in the comments below if it's either one of those. Right here you get a really nice sticker sheet, so definitely going to use all of it, because I'm not really going to go out my way and find water slides for this. This isn't a kit I'm really going to work too hard on, but the stickers, they look nice. I'm just going to go ahead and apply them as is. You also get a nice little manual, nothing really crazy that's inside here. Just kind of skim through it, so all the parts are in here, like all the different instructions like any other Gundam series. So you got some nice little pictures right here for the actual action, and that's pretty much about it. Looks like all of it is in here, and then should be right over here. They're going to kind of show you the transformation parts on this side, and then at the end you obviously get your sticker placement and pretty much colors, like the color legend. But other than that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start building this, and if you like what you see, I mean, definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and I'll see you in the next review for this kit. Alright, see you later. Bye.